Hello students, I am Milind sir. Welcome to you to my YouTube channel Milind Academy. Dear students, today we are discuss one of the important lessons English workshop. Standard 10th subject English. The name of this lesson Be Smart. Dear student, as you know that last video we have discussed about chit chat activities of this lesson. But today we shall discuss a English workshop of Be Smart. Before watching this video, I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the English workshop of Be Smart. चला तर आपण बी स्मार्टचं इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप बघूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग वेब विथ द वर्ड्स असोसिएट्स विथ द टेक्स्ट अँड द गिवन टायटल. खाली दिलेल्या वेब डायग्राम जी आहे ती पूर्ण करा. कॉम्पोनंट्स ऑफ सक्सेस या संदर्भामध्ये ही वेब डायग्राम आहे जी आपल्याला पूर्ण करायची आहे. द आन्सर. आयडेंटिफाय एरियाज, time bound, realistic, building expertise, achievable, tracking progress, measurable, specific. These are the components of success. Question number second. Pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. पुढील वस्तुस्थितींना आधार देणारी उदाहरणे उतार्यातून निवडून लिहा. A. Goals should be achievable. Answer. Example. We cannot become a president, a prime minister, but we can hope to hold the office of an important social worker and deliver results. B. A time limit should be set to achieve goals. Answer. Example. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it, but without consistent time-bound action, it never become reality. It may be exercise, diet, and stress-free thoughts. All these have to be practiced and implemented with the deadline. C. A specific field or area has to be fixed to achieve goals. Answer. Example. If it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? D. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. Answer. Example. Life is like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we cannot get anything out. E. A benchmark is needed to track progress. Answer. Example. While playing football, a player's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Question number 3. Complete the following sentence. खालील वाक्य पूर्ण करा. A. Smart goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. B. Two valuable assets of setting goals are a sense of originality and stepping stone to illuminate the path. Read the quote. If we don't put anything in, we cannot get anything out. Guess the meaning. याचं meaning तुम्ही guess करा. Discuss in pairs and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. असे सारखे अर्थ असणारे कोट शोधून तुम्ही लिहा. A. You reap as you sow. B. Input is equal to output. C. No pain, no gains. D. Nothing venture, nothing have. E. The longer you work, the more you get. F. Well begun is half done. अशा प्रकारचे कोट्स तुम्ही देखील या ठिकाणी लिहू शकता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ड्राफ्टिंग अ स्पीच. स्पीच ड्राफ्ट करा. डिस्कस इन ग्रुप इच ब्लॉक. प्रत्येक ब्लॉकची ग्रुपमध्ये चर्चा करा. अँड मेक नोट्स अबाउट इट. आणि त्याविषयी नोट्स तयार करा. सब्जेक्ट आहे हाऊ आय कॅन ड्राफ्ट अँड इम्प्रेसिव्ह स्पीच. इम्प्रेसिव्ह स्पीच होण्यासाठी आपण कशा प्रकारचा ड्राफ्ट तयार करू शकतो यासाठी काही मुद्दे दिलेले आहेत, काही पॉईंट्स दिलेले आहेत, त्याच्यावरती आपण डिस्कस करूया. आन्सर. फर्स्ट पॉईंट, हाऊ टू स्टार्ट. सुरुवात कशी करावी. आन्सर. स्टार्ट द स्पीच विथ अ ग्रीटिंग अँड इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, डू आय नो दॅट फॉर्मॅट. फॉर्मॅट मला माहिती आहे का. आन्सर. ग्रीटिंग अँड इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द टॉपिक. एक्सपोजिशन ऑफ मेन थीम, क्लिअरिटी ऑफ मेसेज. Moral and practical application with examples and conclusion. Next point, what to write. काय लिहायचं आहे. Answer. Write points and examples that are related to the subject. Next point, how to bring quality in my speech. माझ्या स्पीचमधील क्वालिटी कशा प्रकारची असली पाहिजे. Answer. By using relevant examples, thoughts, slogans and gestures, correct pronunciation and loud and clear voice. Next point, what are the relevant thought, slogans, maxims. संबंधित thoughts किंवा slogans, maxims कशा प्रकारचे असले पाहिजे. Answer. Relevant thoughts, slogans make the subject matter clear, also increase the interest of the audience. So we much included popular thoughts, slogan and maxims related to the subject. Next point, which are the most important elements to be included. कोणत्या प्रकारचे महत्त्वाचे एलिमेंट्स त्याच्यामध्ये इन्क्लूड केले पाहिजेत. Answer. Content, slogan, suitable examples, proverbs, etc. Next point, what is the symptomatic overall procedure to justify an impressive speech. भाषणाचे समर्थन आणि प्रभावीकरण करण्यासाठी लक्षणात्मक एकूण प्रक्रिया काय आहे. Answer. Introduction. Grab the attention of the audience. Main body. Present your thoughts, ideas, content systematically in correct sequence. Conclusion. Conclude with thanks. Next topic. What should be the size, length of the speech? स्पीचची भाषणाची साईज किंवा लेंथ किती असली पाहिजे. Answer. It should be accordance with the topic, not too big, not too small. Question number 6. Speech development. A. Content. A. Greeting and introduction of the topic. B. Explosion of main theme, clarity of message, organized thoughts and ideas. C. Moral and practical application with examples. D. Conclusion. B. Speaking presentation. A. Verbal clarity, pronunciation of words, voice modulations and projection. B. Presentation, speaking style, mannerism, audience eye contact, ability to keep the audience engaged. C. Confidence, Gesture and expressions, stage courage. C. Useful phrases and vocabulary. A. It's a pleasure to see you all. I am happy to see you today. It's good to see you all here. B. Today's topic is. My talk is about. My topic is. C. The purpose, aim of this speech. D. I will focus on 1, 2, 3 major issues. E. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Question number 7. Do don'ts for delivering a speech. Add some more points. स्पीच देताना किंवा भाषण करताना काय करावे आणि काय करू नये. डच. टॉक स्लोली. Emphasize keywords. Stress your points for me. Speak loudly and clearly. Use meaningful quality language. Use simple but effective language. Put your thoughts and ideas as clearly as possible. Don'ts. काय करू नये. Don't mumble. Don't look up, down. Don't forget important points. Don't use excessive gesture. Don't feel nervous or embarrassed while giving speech. Don't drift away from your topic. Question number 8. You are going to participate in inter-school elocution competition. तुम्ही आंतरशालेय वक्तृत्व स्पर्धेत भाग घेणार आहात. The subject given to you is how to achieve success in life. तुम्हाला दिलेला विषय how to achieve success in life असा आहे. Draft a speech to present it in a competition. पुढील तक्त्याच्या आधारे तुम्ही भाषण तयार करा. Answer. How to achieve success in your life. Honorable Chairperson, respected headmaster, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to give my speech on how to achieve success in life. I request you to listen to me carefully. So, my friends, success is a very important in everyone's life. Everyone has a dream of becoming a successful human being in life. There is a good saying that success is journey and not a destination. How true it is. If we look at the life of all successful people, we realize the truthfulness of the statement. The definition of success is different for every one person. For a child, success is to solve a puzzle. For SSC student, success is to get good marks. For a businessman, success is to get contract. And for a grandparent, success is to see the whole family you are happily together. Everyone wants to become rich and successful in life. To achieve ambitions, there are many steps which are to be followed. First of all, we have to set our goal, means we have to decide what we are and what we want to be. So, proper plan and execution of the plan are very important. The tragedy of life does not lie in not reaching the goal. The tragedy lies in having no goal to reach. For a great success, we need a lot of confidence, patience, knowledge, perseverance, and hard work. We should not waste our time because time is money. Don't compare yourself with any other person in the world. If you do so, you are demeaning yourself. The main thing is that we should always think positively and never give up hope. Many of our failures are the people who did not realize how close they were to success when they give up. Always remember that the word impossible means I am possible, and if destiny is the accompaniment with the 3 D's, determinations, dedications, and devotions. Then everything becomes possible. We should learn from our own mistakes. We should always follow in the footsteps of a great, successful people. Let's take an example of Dhirubhai Ambani. He was born in poor family, but struggled a lot to achieve his ambitions and never give up hope because he knew that there is always a room at the top. He kept the hope alive in his heart and tried level best, and as you know, he became one of the richest industrialists in the world. After all, no gain without pain. There is a great saying that successful people do not do different things, they do things differently. So work hard continuously. God's blessings are always there with you. Thank you for listening to my carefully. Jai Hind. Question number 9. Project work. Your goal this year is to successfully pass out from secondary school. So let us be smart and note down the following. A. Specific area, subject and number of units / lessons. First, English 4 units. Second, Marathi 5 units. 3. Maths 4 units. 4. Science 3 units. 5. History 3 units. 6. Hindi 4 units. B. Measurable. Comparison of score in previous examination and in recent one. Test 1. Poor, fair, poor, fair, poor, fair. Test 2nd. Fair, 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 good, fair. Semester 1st. Fair, fair, good, good, fair, good. C. Achievable goal. Target score performance in SSC exams. First, good. Second, excellent. Third, satisfactory. 4, good. 5, satisfactory. 6, good. D. Realistic approach. Plan of action that matches with your expertise, resources. For example, first, make a study timetable and follow it regularly. Second, set a goal. Third, try to figure out difficulties. 4. Try to solve it. 5. In any problem, ask your expertise. E. Time-bound action. Days required for revision. Subject English, days for revision 6. Subject Math, days for revision 6. Subject Science, days for revision 6. Subject History, days for revision 4. Subject Hindi, days for revision 4. Subject Marathi, days for revision 4. अशा पद्धतीने आपण जे SSC मध्ये चांगले मार्क्स मिळवण्याचं जे काही गोल डिसाईड केलेलं आहे ते चांगल्या प्रकारे अचीव करण्यासाठी अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला प्लॅनिंग करावं लागेल. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. अजून जर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि हा व्हिडिओ शेअर करण्यास विसरू नका. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग.